All right, today guys, we're going to be making some crab ragoons in our air fryer. And all you're going to need today is some bumblebee crab meat or crab meat of your choice. You can use imitation. I like to use the real crab meat that is canned. And I usually, if I want to be real fancy, I'll get crab legs, the real crab legs, and pull the meat out. We need some water, some scallions. We need some cream cheese, and that's a little bit over a half of an 8-ounce. And we need some spices of your choice, seasoning of your choice, and we have garlic. And then we have the soya wontons, and that is all you need. These are so freaking tasty. You want some form of scoop or some form of thing that can measure the inside filling, and that way all of your wontons are consistent. They're not really big, so you don't need a big scoop. I usually use like the half a teaspoon to fill mine. Now, once you get this all nice and creamy, it is time to fill them. You're going to lay your wontons on a flat surface, and you're only going to wet a 90-degree angle on your wontons. And I, like I said, use a half a teaspoon to fill mine, and that is it. Guys, the sky is the limit with these. The possibilities are endless. You can make breakfast wontons, and you can also do this with egg rolls as well in the air fryer. But let me speed this up and get these bad boys filled so we can get them in the air fryer. All right, guys, so they are done, but let me share a tip with you. These ragoons can be frozen and they can be pre-prepped. This is a great way to help you get away from the Hot Pockets and the little pizzas and all that stuff. You can put pizza mix in here if your kids like Tortino's Bites. You can do so many things, and you freeze them on a cookie sheet and parchment paper, and you individually bag them so they can grab them out and throw them in the air fryer. Another great way to have things already made for your kids. So let's get to this air fryer. You're gonna lay these bad boys inside of there, and don't mind if they overlap just a little bit. Just don't put them on top of one another. And we are going to lay them in there, and then we're going to set the actual timer for 3 minutes. I'm gonna go in 3-minute intervals, and then we're going to go with 390 degrees and see how that works. As you can see, the timer is stopped, and we're gonna look at them. They are not quite ready, so I figure another 3 minutes will be awesome. Guys, I lost footage, so I could not show you what they looked like when they first came out, but I'm gonna show you what they look like when I plated them. They came out great after the second 3 minutes. So here it is. Let's see how I serve them. Do you see how well they are cooked in the air fryer? No grease, no oil, less fattening, okay? I like to pair them up with kikkoman sweet and sour sauce. It is so tasty. And guys, let's move on so you can see how crunchy these bad boys come out in the air fryer. They are amazing. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media, but before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.